So it seems to hover pretty well. It seems to hold its own. Now we turned off GPS mode. Hi, my name is Scott. Today we are taking a look at this 2K drone. Now this drone is rated for ages 14 and older. For more specs, you guys can pause the video right here. You can pause the video right there. What do you say we go ahead and open this up, show you guys everything that you get, and why don't we test it out? That way you guys, we can give our full review. Oh, this is really nice. I love when drones come with cases. I think that is extremely important. All brands should add cases for their drones. So look at this nice case. That's awesome. Nice carrying handle as well. I like it. It's small, it's compact, but yet it looks nice. Okay. Looks like we got some accessories up here. Charging cable, fan blade, and more accessories at the top. We have our manual right here as well. So far, very nice presentation. Shows that they care about their product. Okay. Here is the drone itself. You got your Type-C charging port, your power. Okay, so if you press and hold it and just keep pressing and holding it, that's how you can turn it on. Looks like you can take your battery by pressing that down and sliding the battery out. So there's a battery already inside. Let's press and hold it down just to see. And there it shows the battery level then. That's actually really nice. Press and hold to turn it off. That's really nice. So far I'm impressed. Let's remove this little case from the camera. And the camera lens is going to have another piece of plastic. Make sure you remove that as well for clear quality. The blades are going to have this little cardboard on it. Go ahead and remove that from the blades. So you just pull out the blades, remove that cardboard. So there's the drone once it's folded open. You guys get a kind of an idea of how it looks. Looks like your TF card slot, I believe, is right in here. So right on the side. Very nice. We're going to go ahead and charge this while we show you the remote. Make sure you guys keep this. This is just to protect the camera lens. So I recommend keeping that. This is the remote. Pull out the little antennas. Lift this up, and this is where your cell phone's going to go. You have your on and off button right here. Press and hold to turn it off. We're definitely going to charge that up as well. That's going to be very important. It's blinking. I wonder if it's just doing that so it can pair, or if it's blinking because it needs battery. But we'll charge it anyway. They recommend that you charge it. Pull this out for easy grip, just like that. Really responsive thumb Joy-Cons. So these thumbsticks are really responsive. That's great. You got tons of different settings. You got your speed mode over here, camera mode over there, video, and so much more. It does have a built-in battery, which I find very important. That is extremely important to me. So we're going to go ahead and charge that up as well and see you guys in a bit. So that allows us to not sync it up. That allows us just to fly right away. And hovering is pretty nice. So as you guys can see, it hovers very well. So even with it being a little breezy, it hovers. To turn off GPS mode, you press and hold this button on the top here, and you can turn that off. But overall, I mean, it's pretty nice. As you can see, it hovers very well even within the wind. That's pretty impressive. We can bring it over a little closer. So as we can take a look, you know, that's how well it hovers. That's very impressed. So far, I'm extremely impressed with this drone. Extremely impressed. I mean, it handles better than, I would say, 65% of all the drones I've reviewed. Maybe even higher. That's definitely impressive.